I'm going to mold these samples in today's episode. I've never used this epoxy granite before, and since I'm designing an entire machine around it, I better become familiar with it. Welcome back, I'm Nick, and let me show you how I made these. So this is my little experiment. I have all-purpose gravel. This is from the cement section at Home Depot. These are pea pebbles. This is from the garden section. And this is play sand. This was from the cement section. This is from the garden section for little flowers. And these are about 35 cents each. They'll be perfect to actually build a mold, and it has a draft on it. And then these are in the paint section. There's a pack of 4, I think about $3. I could use these for mixing. This is the epoxy I got, $45 or $50 on eBay. It's USA made. And I also got this to help with the mixing. So all this stuff was $25. Each bag was $5. So super, super cheap. I just filled these with the rock only. So this is the pea pebble and this is the granite. It looks like the pea pebble is a little bit smaller. 350 grams. It's the granite and the pea pebble, 350. So same. Next, I'm gonna fill them both with sand. This one was the gravel, so I'm gonna pour this whole thing in here. And this one was the pebble. And then I'm gonna add epoxy to both of these and mix them and put them back in. I just eyeballed this. Okay, that's pretty good. So mixing this, I feel it's pretty heavy. All right, here's the gravel one, and I'm just gonna pour it right in. Whatever happens, happens. This is just a quick and dirty. This is after pouring. This wasn't scientific, just for fun. Felt like a kid with the sand. So tomorrow I'll come back and see what these look like. 24 hours later, they're hard, but it's not super hard. I can indent my fingernail into it.
What is that?
I'm building a machine. I'm gonna build a machine out of rocks and sand and epoxy. It's gonna be probably about this big, and it's gonna cut metal. It's gonna be a CNC machine. And I just bet a lot of money on a pool match. If I win this money, I'm gonna use all that money to buy the parts for the CNC. I bet like $3,000. So either I'm gonna win 3,000 or lose 3,000. Wow, that is perfect. It took the complete shape of these cups. And they're both soft still. So I think it needs probably a few more days to cure. But they look so nice. Look how smooth that is. Yeah, that'll make a really nice machine. You can mix some pigment in there, different colors. Here's the finished result. So I'm really happy with these. It took the form of the mold exactly. And I don't see any voids, maybe a tiny one here. Pretty good for a first attempt. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next episode.